Hi everyone, this is a quick video on how to open the rear door of your Toyota Prius 2007-2008 model. This method could be used even if your battery is dead, or just simply if your the rear door is stuck. Obviously, you're going to go through the back door and put your back seat down, and after that you know find these two knobs over here, and all you do is you turn and open them up. That will allow you to remove this cover um, that is found inside your rear um, vehicle. Once you remove that, you will also have to lift up this storage space. It's very easy, just lift it up from the inside and it should come off pretty easy. And once that is out of the way, from here, let me see if I can get a good angle so I show you. There is a knob down there that you just have to push. I'm trying to see, let me go a little bit closer here. In there, that little space, it's a little bit dark, but if you look carefully you will see that knob. I'm gonna try my possible best to give you a clear view of the knob. Right there, there's a knob there. And all you do is you pull it towards you, and while doing that you push up the rear door or push open the rear door, and that should do the trick for you. So it is a very easy process here. Here you go. That's all you need to do. Push it up towards you and that should open the rear door for you. Alright guys, thank you. And also, if you have any question or comment about this video or about your Prius, please leave a comment below and I'll be happy to make a quick video for you and put it on here. Okay, please, for those who have not yet subscribed, please subscribe, and I'll see you on my next video. Thank you.